create a new letter, click on the Letters button on the toolbar or select Letters from under the PrintQuote Pro menu. Then click on Create Letter. Under the File menu we have New, which creates a new document. We have Open, which presents an open dialog so you can open a letter that's been saved to disk. Save to DB saves the current letter into the PrintQuote Pro database. Save saves the current document has already been saved. This save will be automatic. If the document hasn't been saved yet, you'll be asked to give it a name. Save As displays an open dialog box so you can choose a name for the document and then saves it to disk. Export gives you the facility to export the document in a various number of formats, including Adobe PDF files, rich text format, hypertext markup language, text document, Microsoft Excel workbook, data interchange format, Quattro Pro for Windows, Lotus 123, enhanced meta files, Windows meta file, portable network graphics, tagged image file format, Windows bitmap, JPEG and GIF. The page setup enables you to choose the page size, the margins, top, bottom, left and right, the page size, and whether it's portrait or landscape, and the source of the paper on the printer. Also, you can modify the header and the footer. The print preview displays a preview of the page that's about to be printed. For example, if we open a document, and then we select Print Preview, we can then view the document as it's going to be printed. We can modify the percentage and view it. We can also print from this section, choose the page setup and preview all the pages in the document. We can also print the document and modify the language of the document. Under the Edit menu we have Undo, which undoes the previous action, Redo, which redoes the previous action, Cut, Copy and Paste, Paste Text. This pastes the previously copied or previously cut text without formatting from the previous selection. Paste Special gives you the option to paste the selection as rich text format, that is formatting as text, or as Unicode. Find enables you to search the document for specific text. There's the option of choosing to match the case or not, or as whole word or part word, and direction. Find Next. Once you've found the first appearance, we'll continue to find further appearances of the same criteria. Replace gives you the option of replacing a section of text with a different section of text, match whole word only or match case. Character case changes the case of the selected text into uppercase or lowercase. Insert page break allows you to insert a page break into the document, and if you've selected a page break you can remove it, or you can also select the whole document. Under the font menu we have the standard font dialog, which enables to choose the font style and the size, and some effects, colour. The advanced dialog gives us more options. Character spacing, vertical offset, subscript, superscripts, and scaling. We also can choose the style from the menu and shrink or grow the font. We can also choose text color and the text color background. The paragraph command opens the dialog box to allow you to set the alignment, spacing before and after, line spacing, first line indents, the facility to add tabs at different points on the header, to set whether you want to keep the lines together or keep them with the next. Also we have choices of alignment, align left, align centre, align right, and justify. We can also add bullets and numbering. We have a number of options, 8 options for bullets and 8 options for numbering. And we can choose bullets or numbering, the default versions. We can also influence word wrap, decrease indent, increase indent. Then we have options for line spacing, text flow, and the full paragraph background color. On the format menu, background opens a dialog box and facilitates the choice of a color for document background or placement of a graphic behind the text in a variety of positions, whether it's tiled or not tiled, centered or stretched. You can also choose the background color and the fill color, and opens a dialog box that facilitates the choice of fill color for either a selection of text, paragraph, or a table cell. The insert menu file presents an open dialog, so you can choose a file to insert into your document at the current cursor position. Picture presents a dialog box to choose a picture to insert into the document at the current position of the cursor. Horizontal line inserts a horizontal line into the document. Hyperlink opens a dialog box where you can enter the link text and the target for that link. You can also enter symbols into the text, and you can choose any font. and character set. You can insert a date, and you get an option of different formats for the date. And at the end, you can insert a field tag from the client data file. And then you can merge the quote data. And that will work when you've got a data file selected. Also, you can enter tables, insert tables. You can choose the number of columns, the number of rows, auto size, fit window. And then once we've created a table, we have the options of inserting a column, inserting column left, inserting column right, delete a column, delete a row, you can insert rows, we can select columns, rows, we can align cells, the information in the cell to the top, to the middle or the bottom, and we can decide whether it displays any of the different borders. We can split cells, and we can merge cells. We can show grid lines and the table properties. And most of those commands also have toolbar button options as well to make that process even simpler. Simply by choosing a position and making a selection on the toolbar. We also have showing non-printing characters. And we can insert the current date, and we can insert field tags, as well as align the text, change text properties, change the font and font size, and make table modifications, as well as add borders to cells in the table. And we also have a reasonably comprehensive help by clicking on the help button. To save to the database, we choose the type of letter, we give the letter a name and a description. And exit the window when we're finished.